For this video, we're going to be looking at and making use of section breaks in Word. So one of the things about section breaks, it allows us to either break a paragraph and continue on the same page, or it allows us to move a paragraph to a new page. So the advantage of this is not so that you don't have to constantly use the enter key to move a paragraph to a new page. So to do this, what we do is we click on the in front of the paragraph where we want to move, we click the breaks option, and we can go to next page. As you can see now, it has moved that paragraph and everything below it to a new page. So that is how you do a section break to a new page. The other one that we look at and constantly use is a continuous break. So it inserts a section break at the start of a section on the same page. So if we do that, okay, it doesn't look like it's done anything. However, if we turn on our show hide formatting options, you can see there, section break continuous. Okay, so one of the other types of breaks that we can look at is a column break. So let us quickly just change this into column. Let's go 2 columns. There we go. Alright, so there we go. We have 2 columns happening here. And the other type of break that we look at is moving this into a column break. So what that means is if we want to move this into the second column, alright, we click on the breaks button, and over here indicate that the text following the column break will begin on the next column. So what we do is we click on that, and that has been moved over here into the next column. So that is how you make use of column breaks.